I can't see your face, so make sure you. Right here. This is the press. Stay put. Why don't you all put your airplanes up on the nose so we can see the airplane?
The airplane won't do that.
Yes, it's this.
3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, good start. Interesting takeoff.
That's Craig.
Hello, Krieger.
Is that him hauling?
Yes,
He's the quiet one.
he's hauling the mail.
Walking the dog in that Spitfire. Alright, all you coffee drinkers, I've just been told we got a fresh lot of coffee, so come on over and warm yourself up.
Freaking sounds cool. Smooth as a baby's butt.
Plays a lot of video games.
Yeah.
A lot of PlayStation.
He's laughing, this other guy.
Oh yeah.
Okay, folks, a low rumble here is the gasoline-powered airplane, and the one with the high squeal is an electric-powered airplane. Now, it looks like the electric phase flap is the flying. Yeah. There's some good flying.
Excellent flying.
Outstanding.
Now, if you look down the pylon line back this way, you'll see some stages down there. We've got pylon judges there, and they are looking to make sure that none of the pilots fly their airplanes inside the pylons. If they do, they get a cut, and they automatically go to last place. So if they get a cut or a false start, they automatically go to last place. If they make 2 mistakes, they automatically get 0 points.
Yep.
Coming in.
Yeah, he's already got his 10 laps in. Here comes Chris.
Yeah.
Craig. It's on the ground. Yeah, dude.
Michael in the hole. Klein, Hughes, and Kelly